So Protoje say, and this was posted the 17th of March, see, 2020. Right after Buju Banton do the interview on stage, where Buju Banton spoke about the state of the industry. So listen this. Personally, no artists were in the business over 10 years and don't give another artist a platform or help but somebody can't say anything to me about the state of the industry. For real, brother. Protoje. Let me tell you something, brother. You see, when the teacher them talk, the student them for just listen and make adjustment.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. So people, Mr. Vegas is speaking out in defense of the Gargamel Buju Banton. And Mr. Vegas is saying Buju Banton is the greatest of all time who has inspired many entertainers in the business. Now, the post where Mr. Vegas get upset about is a post made by Protoje. Yeah, you don't know Protoje. Alright, now the post is alleging that Protoje said something in the sense that some artists, some entertainers who in the business long time, nah give back, nah bust, nah young artists or nothing of that sort. And Mr. Vegas is saying, listen, all a blind man can see say a Buju Banton Protoje attack. A deaf man can hear say a Buju Banton Protoje attack. All if you are the dumbest man in the world, you can figure out say a Buju Banton Protoje attack is what Mr. Vegas basically is saying. Now, Mr. Vegas decided say, yo, him go stand up and speak out in defense of Buju Banton because him personally feel like say, yo, Buju Banton did a lot for the music industry. Alright, and let's take a listen right now to what Mr. Vegas had to say.
Buju Banton, them a general medan. Shabba, them a general medan. General, and you see from them no style you personally. Me no think so if you come out and try style them. You say Buju Banton did call your name and say you can't perform. Then we could understand say yo, you're a man of you. Defend your thing. But the general was speaking in general about the state of the industry, which is true. All of the new artists them cannot perform. The people them at the stage show bored out of their mind. You know say a true be. So if you ball out, that means say you are one of the people them where Buju attack. So we have to go watch you now and watch how you perform on the show them if you are going good. So you put spotlight on yourself now. We have to watch you and we have to talk. The general them set it, you say the general them not help nobody. I want to tell my youth, man. The general used to keep meeting around at the studio. And we used to go sit in and him teach we. Yeah, man. The general, when they depend on tour, if you lose the equipment, the general give him whole band to perform with. The whole band, him just say, yo, I want to give the whole band to perform with. Theme band. I don't have to pay $1. I want to hear me done. The general have hits after hits after hits can play right through until you're dead. The general still have hits we can play. You get two little song boy and me done because the people ain't like you and you look a light voice. So the people might work with you. You see me I say me done? And you're going to Europe and two little place and the people them start work with you. Don't make it get to your head. So you feel like say you're in a Bob Marley shoes now can style the general. You see? And when you talk man, do your research man and check your history man. Check your history about Buju Banton me done. If a Buju you talk, let me set that straight. And if any other artist went in the business more than 10 years, then be a man and call name them. Be a Rasta man, for Rasta man not show shade. Rasta man deal with light. So if an artist, you know, if you come in at the spotlight, make us see who you talk, then bring him forward. But we know say a Buju because right after Buju interview you post that. So you can't style Buju my general. Buju are the man. 10 years or 9 years and come back on the stadium. Ram! You see? That if you check. Me and you go to prison for a year, them just remember we. Because we are student and them a teacher. You see me I say me done? You get a little Grammy nomination and you feel like so you reach, bill. Go and sing music and make people rate you and love you, man. Because the people them like you. Don't make them hate you, me done. Trust me, you don't even have to look a big song like Heads High I Am Blessed for people can hate and you still eat food. You see? So don't try it, madam. People will hate your boy, yeah. Yeah. People will hate your boy, yeah. So if you stay in Europe and stay on the North Coast or stay on the West Coast and perform, stay out there and perform and eat your food, but don't try style Buju them. Because when them hold you in a hardcore crowd, they will make you look stupid. Buju will make you look stupid, madam. Buju will make the people them notice your paper voice, your light voice. Your voice will not too steady. That's what I say. So hold it, man. Hold it, man. Because you don't know, from you put spotlight for yourself, you're going to start notice the flaws them. See, so Buju did that set the record straight about the state of the industry, which is true. The young artists, them have to learn to perform. Because when people go on stage show and pay them hard-earned money, people forget a show. You see? So Bill, man, we know see how help to look at artists like, you know, Layla Ike, the man them look at artists, but don't make it get to your head. The whole of we boy help artists. I want to hear, man. And everyone that we come out and, you know, publicize it. The whole of we help artists, boy, the whole of we. Check your history, man, and don't get too swell-headed. You see what I say? Don't get too swell-headed. Because we know you, you know. Remember, say we know your style, you know. Remember, say we up on the road already, you know. We up on the road, you know. Remember, say we up on the road and I ask you use your banner. You say, I can't use your banner, you know. Or your management team or whosoever say, I can't use your band. And me, you come from Jamaica. I make me have to work with a foreign band. You see? So stop throw shade, man. Be a Rasta man and stop be a, you know, a man that throw shade like one girl. You see me I say, if you're burn fire, man. But if you're not on fire for burn, man, Bill. So me I say, Buju are the greatest. Hear you? Know that. So if a Buju attack, take it off of your page. Take it down before people go. But when me talk about it now, people are going to look. So take it down.
Now, people, you hear what Mr. Vegas say, right? If it is Buju Banton you're actually talking about, then now that I talk about this, people is going to look. So if it's Buju Banton you're talking about, take it down. Now, funnily, I went over to Protoje's Twitter page and I searched for that post that was made on the 17th of March. And people, the post is no longer there. So what does that say about Protoje and making that post? That simply means that because Mr. Vegas highlight it, and as him say, a whole heap of people are go look because him talk, the post disappear. Wanna get what go on? So that simply means that it was Buju Banton Protoje attack about for real. Yo, make go hear what Mr. Vegas have to say some more.
Me address Protoje because based on the nature of the post that he made after Buju Banton did the interview, you know, he's only an idiot with a you know. You know, maybe there's some people who can't think, who can't style and them things are not Buju mother. That what you have gone. More on the eye then understand something more music. Understand something about artists. See? When a man makes statement, say artists no post nobody or give nobody no platform, a man has to be very careful of them rhetoric there. I'm going to tell you why. You have many artists where you might not know where them are do, what they are doing off the radar. See? You don't know what some artists are doing off the radar. See? A man would have sent a youth to school. The man would have know and publicize sending a youth to school. Does that mean that artists don't help nobody? An artist may call some people when he come off a tour and give them a little envelope to take care of them family. Does that mean that artists don't help nobody or bust nobody? An artist may sing some dub plate for some youth in the ghetto where want to pay some bills or want send them youth to school. Say for example, Buju Banton, since that's the topic. Sing 2 dub plates for a man. For 2 of the big songs them. You know, say, a man can pick up $1,000 from just them 2 songs there, or $1,200. Me get $300, $400, $500 for a dub plate. See? Yeah.
I got some money.
Super, super, super.
I didn't do the calculator.
Alright, go and do that one. Go do that one. See a man like Buju now do 2 of the big songs them for a man way. Wow. Sending you to school and want to pay some bills. And the man collect $1,000 US. $100,000. You see, when you hear some man come talk, don't jump on the wagon if you're not illiterate to the industry. When you hear some artists come talk and some artists big up them chest and say them boss artists and rare and blah blah blah, take all kind of you know props and use it to put down other artists. Now listen to them people. As we say yesterday in the post, every artist give back. Every artist. Some of the time you don't know about it. Or most of the time you don't know about it. Every artist give back. Every artist. So a man irresponsible to talk about an artist. No give nobody no boss. And no give nobody no platform. It's rubbish. And it's personal. Let me educate you about Buju Banton as much as I can. You see? Buju Banton, the artist, the career. Bounty Killer song.
What is that? You convict shot, but boy, you burst. All in farmer, and them are dead first. You convict shot, wicked men burst. From me back, we gun me up at night. You get it forward, that is not a nice foot.
You know that? Eh? What up? Bounty, no? Listen to this. Listen to this. Let me teach you something in music. Don't make no done say that come gas you know up. So no disrespect people in music here. No make no done say gas you know. When I have to know the history of the music and know people's contribution.
Alright, my skin sounds like
Listen to this.
I'm not gonna play still.
Listen to this.
I'm down to running over the chest right every time. Watch this. Hold on. You and you come first.
Big it.
Mechanical reverse. You and you come first.
Big it.
Mechanical reverse. Theater you come out, theater behind.
What up? How old are you? So which melody Buju Banton did? Which melody Bounty Killer you sing? Oh no, not about music, no go man. We have to know the history of the music. I know people's contribution, I know how other artists inspire other artists. Just like how artists come now and hear a Bounty Killer melody and use a Bounty Killer melody. And a man hear a Shabba melody and use a Shabba melody, as some music used to go. You know, say Buju Banton was like a man in a check with Bounty Killer. He could have said, you know what Bounty Killer using melody. Understand the, you understand me I say? But the music used to be about love. The music used to be about how we inspire each other. It never used to be about some man who come go and like say, if a man says something, everybody I think personal. And I go and like say, you just come in the business now, you can run up in some of the icons them. Because you feel like you have a little internet fan base now. You understand? You have to know the history of the music and know how people contribute to the music. You have to know them things. So you have to understand, say, Buju Banton inspired Bounty Killer. One of the greatest. And somebody inspired Buju, but Buju are the greatest. One time we have one time we have 70% of the industry. A DJ like Buju Banton. A DJ like Buju. You know much man singing a Buju Banton melody and boss. You know that dance, man. Buju one of the most influential dancehall artists of all time. What me say? Of all time. One of the most influential dancehall artists of all time.
Now, do we know say some people might not like Mr. Vegas? One thing me personally can say is Mr. Vegas is one who him not put him mouth along and talk when him have nothing to say. Alright, and in this case, Mr. Vegas come out and said it, right? Mr. Vegas no hold on nothing, him say listen. Some of you are just idiot because you don't really know the music business. So you just want to run with anything because you have a fan base on the internet and you already come up and you don't really know how things go. And the music has changed for real. Because back in the day for true, you understand, the music was about love, the music was about oneness, the music was about unity. But now in a dancehall music and even reggae, the oneness and unity not dead no more. You understand, everybody has say, yo, them have them camp yes or them camp yes and them no link with the camp there and all that kind of foolishness. So I personally can understand and know where Mr. Vegas come from. Alright, watch on man people, talk to me down below, let me know what you think. Do you believe that Protoje was aiming that Twitter post at Buju Banton? Let me know what you think. Alright, and do you think that Mr. Vegas should have even said anything defending Buju Banton as a matter of fact? What you think, people? Talk to me down below in the comment section. More to hear from you. Alright, and once again I'm begging you, please in this time, stay safe. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.